Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize mobile performance in Wix Studio so you can ensure your site loads lightning fast and provides a seamless user experience for your visitors on the go in 2026. Let's get into it. First, switch to Mobile View and use the Cascade rule. The first step is entering the responsive design mode. In Wix Studio, changes you make on desktop flow down to mobile, but optimizing for performance requires you to refine the mobile breakpoint specifically without breaking your desktop layout. At the top of the Wix Studio editor, click on the mobile icon to switch your view. Review your layout and identify any heavy elements like high-resolution videos or complex grids that might be slowing down the mobile load time. This is the breakpoint phase. In 2026, mobile traffic accounts for over 60% of web visits. By switching to Mobile View first, you can see exactly what your cumulative layout shift, or CLS, looks like. Wix Studio's cascading logic means you can hide or resize elements here specifically for mobile, which is the foundation of a high-performance site. Next, hide non-essential elements for mobile. Not every element on your desktop site needs to be on your mobile site. Removing visual clutter is the fastest way to decrease your page weight and improve your mobile speed score. Select a non-essential element like a large decorative background shape or a secondary image and delete it, or use the Layers panel to hide it. Focus on hiding elements that don't add value to the mobile user's journey. This is the pruning phase. In 2026, Google's Core Vitals prioritize Largest Contextual Paint, or LCP. By hiding heavy assets that are only for decoration, you reduce the number of requests the mobile browser has to make. This doesn't delete them from your site, it simply prevents them from loading on smaller screens, significantly boosting your mobile performance. And that's pretty much it. To optimize mobile performance in 2026, switch to the mobile breakpoint, hide non-essential elements using the Don't Display feature, and resize your images for smaller screens. Use the stacking tool to prevent layout shifts, and always check your site speed dashboard for a high score. Finally, hit Publish to deliver a fast, professional mobile experience to your audience. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.